Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix Etsy shipping settings issues, full guide step by step clearly. To begin fixing your Etsy shipping settings issues, log into your Etsy account. Navigate to your shop manager from the main dashboard. Once in the shop manager, locate and click on the settings tab. From the settings menu, select shipping settings. Review your current shipping profiles to identify any discrepancies. Ensure that all profiles have accurate shipping rates listed. If needed, click on the profile you want to edit. Update the shipping rates by selecting the correct shipping service. Adjust the processing times to reflect your current order fulfillment capability. Confirm that your shipping destinations include all areas you wish to serve. If you offer free shipping, check if it is correctly set up within the profile. After making changes, remember to save your updates. Next, revisit the main shipping settings page to review all profiles. Ensure that each profile has the necessary details filled out completely. To check for issues with your listings, head to your active listings. Look for any listings marked with shipping issues and click to edit. Ensure each listing has the correct shipping profile assigned. If you encounter any errors, adjust the profile settings as needed. Once all listings are corrected, return to the main dashboard. Consider testing a purchase to confirm that shipping calculations work correctly. If you notice further issues, consult Etsy's Help Center for additional guidance. By following these steps, you should resolve most Etsy shipping settings issues. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.